that look really cool? I have no idea how it's going to translate inside when I cut this. But I don't know if you noticed how I was pouring kind of in the pot swirl, and instead of pouring it in the pot or in the mold vertical, I went horizontal back and forth. Absolutely no idea what that's going to give me. It might be cool, it might not, but we're going to find out. I wanted to try it, so I did. The outside is really cool looking. Like when I unmolded the soap, I was like, wow, that's so pretty. So let's see what the inside. Oh, that's kind of interesting. I had a sneak peek at the ends. Look at that. I love that. I am really, really happy with this one. Those are just cool. Wow. It gives the vibe of water, moving water in the air, swirling, and wow. Look at that. Okay, I'm really happy. It was a lot more work to pour it this way. So whenever it's more work, you always really want it to come out right because it was more work. So you want it to be worth the work. And this one was. My little frog. I almost feel like I should have added a lily pad now, like a flower one, but that's okay. It's still pretty and cool, and I like it. Oh, I really like those swirls. I did 2 batches when I was pouring. The other one is my duck one, and I did the same technique. So I'm curious. So you see these little frogs on the lily pad? Yeah, guess what? They were supposed to go on top, and guess what? I forgot them because they were not sitting with everything. And you know when I remembered that I hadn't put them on? Last night as I was falling asleep. Yeah, I know. Like, I might still, like, I took some soap dough. But yeah, I might try and take a little soap dough. I just need to find my knife. And see, one, I think it would stick. Just condition a little bit. Put it on the bottom here. If I press that on, like, yeah, that's pretty solid. The question is, putting it on top so it's not sunk in a bit, will it fit in my box? Or is it going to be too tall? Let's see. Ooh. Can you see this? Like, it is just barely fitting. Like, the head pushes up just a tad, but I think if I were to put it in this way, it would be okay. And these bars will shrink just a tad as they cure. So that might give me just the little bit of wiggle room that I need. So I might go back and do that, add the, use some soap dough and add these little frogs on a lily pad because they were supposed to go on this soap. Like, that was the whole point of this design with a frog on a lily pad, was for the top embellishments. So, okay, I'm super pleased despite the fact that I forgot to put the embellishment on top. I still think I can make it work. And the swirl is just really cool. Like, I like it. I love it. I don't like it. I love it. Like, it's unique and it's different and it's just, it gives the vibe that everything's moving, like the water's moving, the clouds are in the sky are moving, and I really like it. Okay, so yay, there's a win. And every bar is different. Yeah, I'll take it. I'll probably do this again or try it again. Just play, see if I get similar results. I'm excited to go cut the other batch now. I don't know if that video's already aired or not, because you know me, videos don't air when in the order that I make soaps. But yeah, okay, well, let me clear this off and then go cut the other batch and we'll see how that one worked.